ready to ride Southern Bike Night to some of the hottest bike events and bike nights in the South.
All right, everybody. Well, here we are. This is what we've been waiting for. Right now, we are here at the Hyatt Regency, right, in Washington, D.C. Tomorrow starts Rolling Thunder. So this whole episode that we've done, Biker Salute the Military, and everything that you've seen, all the bikers that have supported the military, everything that we've done with all the different military organizations and clubs, you know, we're ending the show with Rolling Thunder. Here we have with us Mr. Artie Muller and
Michael DePaulo.
Michael DePaulo. These guys, from what I understand, you started Rolling Thunder? Or
Ray Manzo and myself got together back in 1987, and we wanted to do something about the issue on prisoners of war missing in action. And we got together in a diner in Somerville, New Jersey, and we discussed doing a run and a march. And we did a run and a march for 3 years. We did them both.
And now here you are, what is it, 23 years? This is 23rd or 22nd?
Rolling Thunder 23 this year.
Here it is 23 years later, and they tell me they're probably going to be close to 300,000 bikes out here.
Well,
close to 400.
That's likely because last year they counted and they said, quote, they said we had over 500,000 motorcycles down here with what we had in the parking lots and DC. And they said we had somewhere around 900,000 plus people.
Okay.
That is amazing.
And they expect to break 1 million this year, 1 million folks.
Well, you know, I'm definitely glad that we're part of it, and we appreciate you guys for having us a part of it. Southern Bike Night, you know, people like Southern Bike Night, why are they going up to Washington? Well, this is, you know, again, this is important. You know, bikers are, you know, worldwide nowadays, and you know, it's just, we're glad to be a part of it. We're up here letting everybody know what's going on. You guys have done an amazing job. Thank you for having us, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, and geography lesson too. Washington, D.C. is a southern city.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. So we're good.
He's an expert on
You
that
learn
stuff.
something new every day.
So we're good on that one, right?
Yeah, didn't you hear our history quiz up here tonight?
I was standing in the back there.
I just want to say thank you to both of you, because not only is this special to me for being invited and being able to come here and experience this, but it's the very first time I've ever been here, period, as well. So it's a great privilege to me. I just want to say thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
we're honored. We're pleased to have you, really.
Thank you. Want to thank the people from Rolling, you know, the guys from Rolling Thunder. We want to thank Rolling Thunder. Make sure you check out the website, rollingthunder1.com. Get them any support you can get them. Help these guys out any way you can help them out. We want to thank you. Here we go.
Yes.
Get ready. Rolling Thunder. Let's see how many bikes will show up this year.
Johnny just left home for his second tour with a baby on the way. It's harder than before. As he said goodbye, he wiped the tears away. He's off to fight again for the USA. Thanks to the brave, we're the land of the free. And whenever duty calls, they'll be all that they can be. For every soldier's scar and every soldier's grave, we're the land of the free. Thanks to the brave. Day that Jenny left, her mom and daddy cried. Their heads were filled with worry, their hearts were filled with pride. 2 long years have passed, now she's finally home. But as she falls asleep at night, she still hears those bombs explode. Thanks to the brave, we're the land of the free. And whenever duty calls, they'll be all that they can be. For every soldier's scar and every soldier's grave, we're the land of the free. Thanks to the brave. Thanks to the brave. Thanks to the brave. I wanna thank you. Thank you. Thanks to the brave.
Saddle up, riding on two wheels, 1,000 pounds of chrome and steel. This is how freedom feels. I'm ready to ride, living to run down the open road, never running out of places to go. We're always headed to another town where the party can be found. Southern Bike Night